Assalamu alaikum kids. This is the story of the clever crow and the gentle bull. Once upon a time, in a peaceful meadow, there lived a gentle bull named Benny. Benny was strong and kind, always ready to help his friends. Nearby, in an old oak tree, lived a clever crow named Clara. Clara was known for his wit and quick thinking. One hot summer day, the animals in the meadow faced a problem. The small pond that everyone relied on for drinking water had dried up. The animals were worried and thirsty, unsure of where to find water. Clara the crow flew down to where Benny the bull was resting under a tree. Benny, we need to find water for everyone, Clara said. Let's search together. Benny agreed and they set off across the meadow. As they walked, they came across a deep well. Clara peered inside and saw there was water at the bottom, but it was too far down for the animals to reach. I have an idea, Clara said, flapped her wings excitedly. I will fly back and bring some small stones. We can drop them into the well to raise the water level. Benny nodded. That's clever plan, Clara. I'll help you gather the stones. Clara flew back to the meadow, gathering small stones in her beak, while Benny used his strong hooves to push large stones towards the well. Together they worked tirelessly, dropping the stones in the well one by one. Slowly but surely, the water level in the well began to rise. Clara and Benny encouraged their friends to help, and soon all the animals were bringing stones and pebbles to the well. With everyone working together, the water level rose high enough for the animals to drink. Clara and Benny, grateful for their clever solution and teamwork. From that day on, Clara the crow, Benny the bull became even more respected by their friends. Clara's cleverness and Benny's strength had saved the day, showing everyone the importance of using their unique talents and working together. And so the meadow remained a happy and harmonious place, with Clara and Benny always ready to help whenever they find their friends were in need. So, I hope you like this story, kids.